Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another unboxing for you and it is Feelunique, the beauty box or the beauty kit. And this is how it arrives in the post. If you're new to the subscription, then carry on watching. But if you've heard it all before and you're just curious and seeing what I chose for this month's box, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. You may be aware that Feelunique used to have two sample services. They still have the pick a mix, which is what I've got to film afterwards, which is here, which entitles you to choose 5 free samples from a huge selection of products, and you just pay £3.95 shipping, which then gets credited back onto your account, so you can use it against any other purchases. Plus they used to have the beauty kit as well, which had exactly the same concept, but it was more luxury sizes then, and it would cost you £12.99 a month, and then I believe it went up to £3.95 shipping as well. They've scrapped that and they've brought out their very own subscription box. So essentially it's the same as the beauty kit, but it's now a subscription. You don't have to be tied into a subscription. A one-off box is £13.95 and that includes shipping, and then you can opt for a 3, 6 and 12 month subscription, which you can subscribe at a discounted cost. You choose 5 luxury samples once a month from a huge list, not as many as the pick and mix. The pick and mix tend to be a lot of sachets and little tiny tubes, but with the beauty kit or the beauty box, I think it's still called the beauty kit actually, I'll have to I can't remember now, but the beauty box, then you do get a mix of samples. You might get some sachets, but generally the sizing is larger, so you might see more like 50ml products, 100ml products, even full size products. I've had some amazing products. Yeah, I do really think you should check it out. Unfortunately, even though Feelunique ship internationally, their beauty box and their pick and mix sample service are only available in the UK, but hopefully in the near future that may change. I don't know. They haven't said anything to me, but hopefully they will do. Even though I pay myself for the beauty box and the pick and mix sample service, I have collaborated with them now and again, particularly over the Christmas season, and they give me a monthly code to share with you. So if you want to shop on the Feelunique website, I'm not sure if my code will enable you to have discount off the beauty box, but it's worth a try. It's 15% off and it's Beauty Geek FU. Yeah. Has a ring to it, doesn't it? A Beauty Geek FU. Anyway, I'll put that down below in the description, as well as links to the subscription and links to the pick and mix if you want to take a look there as well. Plus, Feelunique have a 60% off winter January sale on, so I'll put that down below as well. So I think that's it as far as information goes. If there's anything I've missed out, then please ask away. But let's get on to showing you what I chose. It's called the beauty box, the Feelunique beauty box. Every month it'll come in this bag, but I have noticed on their website that you have the option to opt out of the bag. Say if you're a 12-month subscriber, or if you're a regular subscriber and you think, yeah, bag is handy, but I don't want 12 of them, then you can opt out. So you just receive your products in the box then. So yeah. Nice little handy bag there. It says discover, trial and play. I've had this for over a week now. This is the first time. I can't believe the sizes. It's the first time I'm getting them out. First up, I chose a product by Feelunique. I think that is the actual name. And this is a pre-filled sample, not for sale, which is probably why it's in the beauty box. But this little filler, I'm not sure if you'll be able to see much. I will take it out. It's quite pricey. Feelunique sell this brand obviously on their website, and you can buy a pack of these little syringes for like £175. I know. One of my lovely followers messaged me to let me know that this is on there. This is on the beauty kit, and I had to get it. So yeah. Now, I got a little thing there. Now, I've never had Botox, never ever had fillers, anything like that. So I know this is not going to go into my skin. There's no needles or anything like that, but I'm assuming there's going to be a lot of pressure going into my skin. I'm quite excited about it, and I am going to film it. I am going to film it because you probably end up having a laugh more than an informative video, but I'll give it a go. You can have a filler effect, super density effect, a plasticity effect. I've got the biorevitalizing effect. It contains 20 amino acids, 11 vitamins, 6 trace elements and 2 nucleic acids. Unscrew the top at the bottom of the pre-filled applicator containing the 1 milligram of Feelunique and screw on the metal tip. Spread the product on the age wrinkles. on the expression furrows and the palm of the hands or fingers. Pat gently until the gel is fully absorbed. I was expecting to be blasted on my face. No, it's not. It's a gel that I apply to my face and tap it in. I am going to have to read into this a little bit more, but if you've tried any of these Feelunique products, I would love to hear what you think of them. I haven't seen any videos, and I'm not going to see any videos because, as with all my reviews, yeah, I don't want to have a bias before I do any videos. So a vitamin, amino acid packed little filler there for me. Next up, we got a Rodial product, and this is a vitamin C brightening cleanser, and I've got 20 mils here. I've got a full-size version of this, and I've got a little mini, and I'm going to keep this little mini under my bed in my little drawer where I keep all my little favourite skincare makeup minis. So if I go away for the night or a holiday or something like that, I can bring my favourites with me. I absolutely love this. I love this range. I love Rodial as a brand. And I'm actually wearing a skin tint today. I really, really like it. It's got SPF 20 in it as well. It's beautiful. But yeah, the vitamin C range is my favourite, by far my favourite. And I've been a fan for a couple of years now. So yeah, so I got that. I couldn't resist. And also I got a Pink Diamond cleansing balm. So this is a liquid cleanser, like a gel, and this is like a balm, so the formula is a little bit different. And yeah, I'm sure I've tried this before. I'm sure of it. It just says take a small amount and warm in the hands, apply directly to the face to break down makeup dirt or to purify the skin, rinse off with warm water. I'm not sure if I said, but there's 20 mils there. So yeah, I've got another cleanser. Next, I chose something for my hair. This is by TG, and this is Bedhead. Some Like It Hot Heat Protection Spray with anti-humidity shield. And there's 100 mils there. Now they have a lot of products from this brand available for the beauty box, and they're all really, really good sizes. So I thought, oh, I love a heat protection spray. I use it all the time, but I haven't tried this one. I just want to sniff if it's got a nice smell. Oh yeah, it smells of fruit. Oh, I love fruity smells. If you've been following me for a while, you will know. I always bang on about it. Oh, that's lovely. It smells a bit like strawberries. Yeah, I love that. Some Like It Hot Heat Protection Spray. Lastly, I've chosen a product by Emma Hardy. Emma Hardy is a really lovely brand. Love the Moringa Cleansing Balm. Love her sort of 3-in-1 product of a primer moisturiser with SPF as well. This is a hand sanitizer. This is a moisturising hand sanitizer, and there's 60 mils there. I got loads of these. We did go through a phase of receiving loads of them in different beauty boxes as well. So they're all over the house. They're all over the house. But I just really like Emma Hardy, and I just thought, oh, okay, let's see what it's like. See what it smells like. Ooh, typical. I always put too much on. Clean my hands while I'm at it. If you love the scent of the Moringa Cleansing Balm, you will love the scent of this. It is beautiful. It is beautiful. And yeah, it does what a typical hand sanitizing lotion does. Kills 99.9% of viruses and bacteria. Creates a protective barrier with the skin surface with moisturizing complex. Hydrates and conditions. Rinse free and non-sticky. So there you go. So that's the last of the items that I chose. But yeah, I love my choices. I've got some really, really great choices. I'll just give you a bit of a recap of what I've chosen. So I've got a Feelunique Bio-Revitalizing facial filler. I've got a Rodial Vitamin C Brightening Cleanser. I've got a Rodial Pink Diamond Cleansing Balm. I've got a TG Bedhead, a Heat Protection Spray. And lastly, Emma Hardy Moisturising Hand Sanitizer. Yeah, really chuffed. Really, really well worth it for me. Really happy with the products. Cannot wait to try the filler. I'm hoping to bring more beauty reviews back onto my channel. I just feel like over the last year, I haven't done that as much. I miss trying things out on video for you. So if you haven't done so already, then please subscribe to my channel, and I hope you enjoyed watching. Please let me know what you think of these products, and if you've chosen some as well, if you are a subscriber. So take care, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.